Securities and Exchange Board of India had given a nod to the initial public offering proposal of LIC last month. While the price band of the issue is expected to be announced today, reports suggest that offer will run between May 4 and May 9. LIC's management and investment bankers will likely embark on roadshows in 6 cities across India where they will meet potential investors and analysts. The cities include Mumbai, New Delhi, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Rajkot, and Kolkata. The government has nearly halved its fundraising goal for LIC's IPO to $3.9 billion, having had to cut its valuation estimates after feedback from investors. Yet, analysts don't expect the issue to see a blockbuster response from investors amid uncertain market conditions.
So basically, I think it will sail through, but if you are expecting like X multiple subscription, I would be doubting that. But there'll be a fair amount of demand, both from high net worth investors as well as retail investors.
Ajit Mishra of Religare Broking too expects the IPO to enjoy decent traction given its dominant market share in the insurance space.
See, the market sentiments have certainly improved of late, amid this lingering geopolitical situation and the inflation worries. However, yes, the volatility is certainly high, and which is keeping the participants on their toes. But amid all, the excitement is there, when it comes to the LIC IPO, and we believe that this IPO would receive decent traction. Thanks to the strong brand connect, which LIC enjoys, and at the same time, its leadership positioning and high industry growth, prospects also augurs well for this IPO.
According to a Business Standard report, most large global investors that the center was wooing for the initial public may give the issue a miss. Earlier, the center had reached out to 180 to 200 large investors that included sovereign wealth funds and those who make investment decisions based on environmental, social, and governance track record. These investors are learned to have committed to consider investing in the insurer's future offerings based on its performance as a listed entity. This comes as the Ukraine war dynamics have made foreign investors skittish. They now see currency risks and anticipate embargoes while considering investing in emerging markets. The US Federal Reserve's hawkish stance has further made them choose a safe haven. But an impressive response from domestic investors and some foreign investors have made the government go ahead with the IPO. Analysts believe that it will lead to a fresh wave of investors entering the market.
I think this IPO will bring in a lot of investors into the market. Okay, you've already seen the number of this Demat accounts which is being opened ahead of this IPO. So obviously it clearly shows that a lot of policy holders will be interested in this IPO.
The public issue is likely to reserve 35% of its offer for retail investors, 10% for policy holders, and 5% for LIC employees. Going forward, the government will look at an additional stake dilution in LIC only after a year of the insurer's listing.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.